My name is Matt from iMight.com. In this video, we will be looking at Figma, where I will show you how to comment on the web page design as a client and track their progress. First of all, what is Figma? Figma is a collaborative web-based graphic editing and user interface design app. Typically, we use this for design-intensive projects to speed up prototyping before developing the actual website or applications. Figma's commenting system allows team members to communicate more easily and ensure everyone is on the same page. As soon as the web design is ready for viewing and feedback, you will receive a link to access the project via an email. Paste the URL link in your web browser and wait for the page to load. Once the page is loaded, you will be prompted to sign in or create a free account to begin collaborating. Here's the process for creating an account. Once the account has been created, you will receive a verification email to activate it. Just click on the link to proceed. Once you have access to Figma, you will see an overview of its user interface. On the left panel, click on Page Designs to view the list of pages created. Next, click on the hand tool to change your cursor to jam mode in the canvas. You can hover over the canvas in the middle. Click and hold your left mouse button to navigate the entire canvas. The same can also be done by holding down the middle mouse button. Scrolling up and down is also possible with the scroll wheel. Press and hold Ctrl key and scroll to zoom in and out. You can also adjust the zoom manually by clicking on the percentage on the right. Beside the percentage, there are two circles with initials that represent two users who are viewing the document now. By clicking the Share button, you can see the names of all members who have access to this project. If you want to invite other members, you can either copy and paste the URL link or enter their email address. Now to the Add Comment button. Click on it to activate comment mode to begin leaving a comment. If you wish to change the image on the right, click anywhere on it. A pop-up will appear for you to enter the comments. You can also assign the comment to a member by clicking here. Click the Submit button to send your feedback. After the comment is uploaded, it will appear as a checkbox with your initial. You can mouse over it to view the comment. The same steps can be repeated anywhere on the canvas if you would like to add more comments or request a change. The checkbox can also be dragged around to reposition the comment. This is what you will see after the designer has replied to all the comments. Click Resolve to approve the changes after reviewing them. Feel free to respond to the comments if you have any additional changes. By default, only the unresolved comments will be displayed on the right panel. You can display the resolved comments by clicking here. You can use this list to find the position of the comments easily. By clicking on any of the comments, the screen will look right at the place where the comments was entered. Okay, that's it for this video guide. Thanks for watching and I hope this is helpful. Please like our video and subscribe to our channel if you like what you see. Bye bye.